This is brought to you by SonShineFilms. Join the fam in association with those fine people over at That Dope Soap and Candle Co. They're making all types of beautiful soaps, candles, custom-made candles, standalone candles, smell good candles, chakra candles. Check us out on Instagram at That Dope Soap and Candle Co. This evening, Daddy and the boys will be reading Not a Box by Antoinette Portis.
All right, fellas, let's get this book read and get into the bed. That's a little rhyme I made for you, okay? Okay, this book is called...
I'm not a box.
Salim, can I read the book? Do you want me to read this book or you want to read it?
I want you to read it.
Thank you. Well, if I'm going to read it, I need you to be quiet and listen. That's what I'm doing, all right? You already got it, babe. I see you. All right, this book is called Not a Box.
Oh, not a box.
By Antoinette Portis. Yeah, Antoinette Portis. It's called Not a Box, okay? See the cover?
Not a box.
Not a box. Okay, Miss Portis. To children everywhere sitting in cardboard boxes. Y'all ready for this story, man? Because I'm about to... Y'all ready?
Yeah,
all right.
Ready.
Why are you sitting in a box? It's not a box.
It's a race car.
That's a cool little car. What are you doing on the top of that box? It's not a box.
What's a volcano?
It's a mountain. Why are you squirting a box?
Because it's a fire?
I said it's not a box.
Oh, it's a firehouse.
Yeah, he using that imagination, huh? Yeah. Now you're wearing a box. That's pretty good.
Silly.
This is not a box.
It's a robot.
Yeah. Are you still standing around in that box? It's not a box.
It's all of them.
Yeah. Let's see.
It's using the imagination.
Well, what is it then? This is a good question. Let's see. You're still thinking about it. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
It's my not a box.
Not a box?
Not a box. It's everything else but a box. That's a cool little story. It's short, man. That's a good one. How did y'all like that story?
It was awesome.
Awesome. It was about what? Imagination. And using just a simple box to stoke your imagination. That wasn't a box because it's not a box, right?
Yeah.
It's a good story, man. I'm really feeling this by Antoinette Portis. Shout out to her.
Shout out to her.
All right, fellas, y'all ready to go to bed?
Yeah.
All right, y'all tell everybody good night.
Good night. Good night, boys.
Good night, boys.
Good night. Thanks for joining us. Remember to check us out at That Dope Soap and Co. on Instagram and SonShineFilms on YouTube. Good night and God bless.